Yes.
I brought you an expert. I brought you one of her trainers. Someone who worked with her, Khloé Kardashian's Revenge Body Workout.
How are you?
Works because you got celebrity trainers like Jorge Cruise able to chip in. So you work with Khloé and a lot of other celebs. Everyone's a little different.
Yep.
So what are the secrets to Khloé's Revenge Body Workout that Rhenotha and everyone else can use that have brought her success?
You know, if you follow Khloé on her app, a lot of what she believes in, guys, is strength, both mental and physical. And so she uses to kind of keep her mind challenged and the body guessing high-intensity interval training, guys, HIIT training. It's the hottest thing in Hollywood because of one thing. It's scientifically proven because you go from a high intensity to a low intensity to burn my favorite and the most dangerous fat out there, belly fat, Dr. Oz. And I'm going to give you a little preview or a little workout right now.
All right, so these are some of the workouts that they do with
All right.
Khloé. If you're up for this, all right? Take a look at the first one.
Okay.
This is called the ladder run with dumbbell squat. This is Khloé doing it for us. There she is, writing down.
So check this out. This is fun. You can do this. This is a big calorie burner. It's going to tone the booty. It's a booty burner, guys. And our goal is you're going to start like this. You're going to rev up like this, guys. It's a knee jump. And then we're going to try to hit each square as we go out there. So you follow me. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready?
High knees,
We're gonna do
high
one,
knees,
two,
high knees.
3, 4. Follow along,
High knees,
guys. Follow. You're doing great.
Come on, Rhenotha,
That's
come on,
it.
Rhenotha.
All right, you in my way. You in my way.
And over here.
Take a
Good
dance
job.
move.
Okay.
And grab the dumbbells. And then what we're going to do is just going to do a pulse on a squat like this. Now squat.
Boom.
Burn. Now this is going to get that booty burn.
Okay,
How does it
'cause
feel?
I need
You feeling
it.
the booty burn?
So, Jorge,
There it is.
how many minutes total are we
I
talking
got it.
about?
I would do this a total of 4. It's what I do with my clients in Hollywood, guys.
Okay.
And more importantly, this is the goal. The goal is going to get you to do this at least once a week. But I did
Come on,
this on
Rhenotha.
You
Revenge
still going?
Body.
You still going? Okay.
Keep
wait.
going. And I did this on Revenge Body with a client called, her name was Lauren. And Lauren lost 50 pounds, Dr.
Come
Oz,
on
in
now.
just 12 weeks.
Oh,
on
there
the
she
show.
is.
That's
Before
why
and
I
after.
started it.
And
Just
she
doing
used this
this?
kind of movements, you know, on my Tiny and Full book that
Are we still going?
basically, no, you guys are good. Take a break. You do this for 1 minute, guys.
Okay.
And so we repeat this a total of 3 more times for 4 sets. And that's going to give you that nice explosive belly burn and belly fat cure.
So instead of spending hours in the gym, I'm getting this right.
Yeah.
You can
Ooh,
be
and you feel it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 7, 8,
Love
10
it.
minutes you can get most work, which is why there's no excuse anymore for anybody out there. Take advantage of this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.